For centuries, some herbs and foods have been highly prized for their aphrodisiac properties. Even today, every other lifestyle and health blog has lists of foods that have aphrodisiac qualities. But do these aphrodisiacs actually work? Aphrodisiacs are foods that are believed to stimulate love senses, sight, smell, taste, and touch. Since ancient times, a number of foods were thought to have aphrodisiac properties that can help people increase their sex drive. Foods believed to be aphrodisiacs include onions, eggs, caviar, asparagus, oysters, and clams. Spicy foods have also been considered to be sexual stimulants. So, are these food items really aphrodisiacs? Can any food really affect sexual desire and performance? People believed spicy foods worked as aphrodisiacs since they contained capsaicin. Consumption of capsaicin can lead to increased heart rate, metabolism, and sweating. These are the physical reactions associated with experiences during sex. Even today, chocolate, coffee, and honey are believed to have potential to work as an aphrodisiac. In fact, during her research for book Intercourse, co-author Martha Hopkins found that almost all food items at some point in history have been considered to be an aphrodisiac. Anything that was rare or expensive, such as caviar or foie gras, was considered to be an aphrodisiac. However, there is no scientific confirmation to support such beliefs. In fact, no food has been scientifically proven to stimulate human reproductive organs. There are certain foods that can help in similar way as Viagra medication by relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow to the genitals. Foods rich in amino acid L-arginine include walnut, beef, and pumpkin. Other effective foods are grapes, red wine, garlic, dark chocolates, avocados, and apples. However, such foods will only help people with compromised blood flow and not those with other problems such as erectile dysfunction. So why do many people think aphrodisiacs work when they really don't? According to experts, sometimes such beliefs associated with food and their presumed aphrodisiac qualities have a placebo effect. Sexual desires are so multifaceted that the psychology of a person impacts it. So such foods may appear to work just because a person consuming them believes they will. Despite no scientific evidence to show its effectiveness, the concept of aphrodisiacs has survived for centuries. Aphrodisiacs promise youth and fertility and thus will continue to be a fixation in the future, despite the promise being largely fake.